Seacrest Wolf Preserve is the best thing that's happened to me in my life.
The opportunity that Seacrest offers here with wolves in Florida is extremely rare.
We just saw the wolves. They were awesome, way bigger than I expected. They were really nice, really friendly, and I loved it.
Here in Washington County, we have a lot of outdoor recreation and natural resources that you can't find anywhere else. We have the tallest waterfall in Florida, 73 feet. It's located at Falling Waters State Park in Chipley, as well as 10,000 acres of fresh water, which includes several first and second magnitude springs.
Well, Seacrest Wolf Preserve is one of the rarest places on earth where wolves and humans connect in nature for educational purposes. So when our visitors come to Seacrest, they're empowered to go in with the wolves and have hands-on interaction with them as they learn about this amazing keystone species and the important roles that they play in wild ecosystems.
The first time we came up for the tour, we walked in the preserve and I had no idea what to expect. These are wild animals and yet they are ambassadors. They've been loved and held since they were babies, and it gives you an opportunity to understand why they're so important.
You know, you've really got to experience being next to these animals. It's, most people, you know, you would think of a wolf and you'd be scared out of your mind, you know, but they are literally human in their thinking. It's amazing.
It is a fallacy that people are afraid of wolves. And when you're with these wolves and you find out how loving and how much like people they are, that's a very important thing.
So we came from Italy to see the wolves. It is a wonderful and it's amazing experience. So it's something that I think that is important to see.
I definitely recommend others to come out here. You can get peace of mind in this peaceful atmosphere.